This is a tutorial for changing the connectors for the coil packs and injectors. The most common problem is that the tap is breaking. That is caused by the heat generated from the turbo. For this operation we need something sharp to remove this yellow lock that also breaks. I guess the whole connector will break, but that's no problem because we'll replace it with a good one. Okay. For unpinning the connectors, we have to press on the plastic pins and release. But my connector is so meshed. Okay, I will try to pull the connectors. Okay, there we have the wires, 3 wires for the coil. Now we will put the new connector. Remove the lock. Then push the pins into the clip. Okay, and after that we put back the yellow lock. So there we have a new connector for the coil pack. Okay, let's move to the injector connector. We have to remove this white locker. Okay, there it goes. Unpin the metal connectors from inside by pushing the plastic pins. In my case, everything it's breaking. Okay, this is the connector that we have to change. This is the new one. Now we'll push the electrical connectors inside until we hear a locking sound. I guess we have to switch. No, the order was good. We have some problems with this rubber. Okay, let's try now. Okay, you heard the sound. 2 clicks, and now we have to put back the piece that locks the pins and push it, and that's all for the connector for the injector.